Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. If you're wondering whether Jamaica really needs more credit cards, maybe that's the wrong question. The better question is whether there's room for more competition. Credit card spending has been climbing according to Bank of Jamaica data. Local currency credit card purchases increased from about $63 billion in June 2025 to more than $76 billion in April 2026. Now, VM Building Society appears to be positioning itself for that growing market by tailoring products to different customer segments. Speaking at the VM Group's annual general meeting on Tuesday, Deputy CEO Paul Elliott announced the institution will introduce 4 new card products. Later this year, the company plans to launch the VM Flex credit card, targeting entry-level professionals and first-time credit card users.
This group is actively shaping the economy, and they contribute 6% of Jamaica's total personal consumption expenditure. So that's great. So we have to focus on them.
The second product is the VM Merit credit card, designed specifically for public sector employees.
The secondary target audience is private sector employees who provide essential and public services. All right.
VM is also developing an international debit card expected later this year.
We're going to do our very best to have the card in production by the end of the year. Certainly the change out of your current card you're holding on to will get going in earnest early next year.
And while frequent travelers will have to wait a little longer, the company's US dollar platinum credit card has been pushed to next year. That product is expected to target customers who travel frequently or spend a significant amount of time overseas. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody and Barrett. Thanks for watching.